Welcome to Lecture 27, Professional Etiquette for Virtual Communication. In today's digital world, knowing how to communicate professionally in virtual environments is essential for success. This lecture will guide you through the key etiquette rules and best practices to help you make a positive impression and communicate effectively online. Virtual etiquette is crucial because it helps build trust and credibility, especially when you can't meet face-to-face. Good virtual manners enhance team collaboration, prevent misunderstandings, and reflect your professionalism to colleagues and clients. Choose a quiet, distraction-free space, make sure your background is tidy and professional, and position your camera with good lighting so you're clearly visible. Dress as you would for an in-person meeting. Choose attire that matches your company culture and avoid clothing with distracting patterns or logos. Punctuality is a sign of respect. Join virtual meetings a few minutes early, test your audio and video, and be ready to start on time. Start meetings with a friendly greeting. Address participants by name, use polite language, and smile to create a welcoming atmosphere, even through the screen. Keep your microphone muted when you're not speaking to avoid background noise. Unmute yourself when you want to contribute, and remember to speak clearly. Speak at a moderate pace and articulate your words so everyone can understand you. Keep your messages brief and to the point to maintain engagement. Turn on your camera when appropriate to foster connection. Look at the camera to simulate eye contact and use positive body language to show engagement. Engagement tips. Nod. Use reaction icons and chat for questions or comments. Show you're engaged by nodding or using reaction icons. Use the chat feature for relevant comments or questions, and don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Avoid talking over others. Wait for your turn, use the raise hand feature if available, and apologize if you accidentally interrupt someone. Secure communication practices. Respect privacy by not recording meetings without permission, avoid sharing sensitive information, and use secure, approved platforms for communication. Always proofread before hitting send to ensure clarity and professionalism. Technical issues can happen to anyone. Stay calm, let others know if you're experiencing problems, and have a backup plan like a phone number to call in. Thank you. Summarize the key points discussed and confirm any next steps or follow-up actions. After the meeting, send a summary or minutes to all participants, clarify any action items, and respond to follow-up questions promptly. Virtual teams are often global. Be mindful of time zones, respect cultural differences, and use inclusive language to make everyone feel valued. Stay focused during virtual meetings, avoid checking emails or multitasking, and give your full attention to the discussion. Visual aids can enhance understanding. Share relevant slides or documents, keep them simple and clear, and avoid overwhelming your audience with too much information. Building rapport online is important. Start meetings with a little small talk, show empathy, and celebrate team achievements to strengthen relationships. Always look for ways to improve your virtual communication. Ask for feedback, reflect on your experiences, and make adjustments to become more effective. Remember, professionalism is just as important online as it is in person. Prepare well, participate actively, follow up after meetings, and always respect others while communicating clearly.